Welcome to this video on subtracting mixed number fractions. Let's look at some questions together. My first question is 3 4/5 take away 1 2/5. I'm going to solve this using partitioning. First I'm going to subtract one whole number away from the other. 3 take away 1 is 2. Next I'm going to look at the fraction part. 4/5 take away 2/5 equals 2/5. The final thing for me to do is to put both parts of my answer back together again. My final answer is 2 2/5. Let's have a look at a second question. 2 1/10 take away 1 4/10. This time the partition method won't work because 4/10 is larger than 1/10. So I'm going to show you a second method. I'm going to convert both mixed number fractions into improper fractions. 2 1/10 is the same as 20 1/10. 1 4/10 is equivalent to 14/10. Now I can subtract one from the other. And that equals 7/10. That's my final answer. Let's have a look at a final question using that second method. 2 1/4 take away 1 2/3. Step number 1 is to turn them both into improper fractions. 2 1/4 is the same as 9/4. 1 2/3 is equivalent to 5/3. Now this time, I don't have a common denominator, so I've got an additional step. I need to find a common denominator, which is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Now I need to find two equivalent fractions. 9/4 is the same as 27/12, and 5/3 is equivalent to 20/12. Now I can subtract one from the other. 27/12 take away 20/12 is 7/12. And that's my final answer. And there you go. You've got two different methods. I personally prefer method 2 because it will work every time when you're subtracting mixed number fractions. Thank you for watching. You can find more resources in the description below.